How to remove berry stains. Removal of berry stains is often quite simple and requires nothing more than water. Steps. 1. Boil about a quart of water over high heat. 2. Place stained garment in sink. 3. Pour boiling water over berry stain. 4. Watch the stain dissolve. 5. To remove blackberry or blueberry stains, apply powder stain remover that has been rendered into a paste. Apply the paste on the stain and rub. Rinse in the hottest water safe for the fabric. Also try bleach alternative detergent. Apply directly on stain. Let sit then rub. Rinse. Repeat until stain is gone. Tips. If the stain is persistent, you could apply some lemon juice on it, blot the excess liquid, and wash with some water. Leave it out on the sun again. In case it still refuses to wash off, you should soak it in water and detergent overnight, and repeat the whole procedure. This works best if you move quickly. Apply the boiling water as soon as possible after the garment becomes stained. You can also use dish liquid along with the boiling water. It is possible that this method will not work with all berries, however, it generally works with most red staining fruits.